And as human rights activists, we are condemning this act of eviction without court orders. Forceful evictions against the law we cannot support.
Na kama tutaendelea hivyo tena, hii eviction nyingine ambayo inapangwa tarehe 7, hiyo ni kumaanisha wanamaliza watu wa Woodley, na hatuwezi kubali vitu kama hizo.
We are calling you, Governor Sakaja. You are going to go down with the people of Woodley if you decide to take their land, if you decide to deprive them of their properties.
Comrade power!
Power!
Comrade power!
Power!
The fundamental purpose of this press briefing is that there's a plan before 7th May that all these houses with arrears that has been introduced back to the system by the Chief Officer Wambui Mathia should be evicted before 7th. There was an agreement which was made by Wambui Mathia and the Upper Woodley chairman called Sam Gashago, which states that by 7th, 20% should be paid. By 30th June, 30% should be paid. And by 31st July, 50% should be remitted to the county government. I want to put it very simple that these are residents who have been here for several years. Some are worth 50 years and above. And giving them a short period of 1 to 2 months to be evicted is undignified. And they deserved a dignified manner and an humane treatment. We have residents who have served in the Kenyan government since 1963. And as human rights activists, we are condemning this act of eviction without court orders. Forceful evictions against the law we cannot support. As Kibra residents, we are condemning forceful evictions in all manners possible. And that's why we are here to condemn this act and to ask Governor Sakaja to reconstitute a committee that will deal with Woodley estate issues in regards to mediation prospect. We don't want our parents in Woodley estate being humiliated. We want them to be respected because they've served in the government. They need respect. Some of them are veterans in this country. And we cannot allow this kind of treatment to them. The way they were treated in the former evictions at the 10-acre which is now being developed, and the prices that have been mentioned in that 10-acre are unbearable. How can affordable housing cost 3-point-something million? They don't belong to us in Kibra. The houses are being bought as we talk today. And we are not able to buy these houses because the first priority should be us as Kibra residents, women and youth. And if I cannot buy a house worth 3.5 million, that house does not belong to me. So even the project of this affordable housing that was built in this part, that was a scam of all times. And that's why we ask Governor Sakaja to reconstitute a committee that will deal with Woodley matters soberly. We are going to present a petition to a member of Parliament's August House, to the Senate, to the County Assembly, and to Governor Sakaja's office. And this will be done on 6th. We don't want to be humiliated. This is a government of the people, and the people should be respected. We are giving these speeches with a lot of pain. We live in this society, and we should be respected, even if someone has arrears. And you know very well that some of the arrears were waived in 2019 by the former governor, Mike Sonko. Why do you reintroduce back to the system the same arrears? And why do you force to evict the same people within 1 month? Where do you want them to go? Some of them are very old. Some of them are very sick. Some of them have cancerous diseases. Some of them have trauma due to what they saw when our mothers and fathers were being humiliated in this space here, that we now put it as a grab space. So we condemn this matter with the highest term possible, And as human rights activists in Nairobi County, Kibra Sub-County, we are going to present a petition to the August State Senate and to the Office of the Governor and to the County Assembly.
Comrades, power.
Power!
It is very sad and very disheartening to see what the Nairobi County government is trying to do in Woodley. And what Nairobi County is trying to do in Woodley is specifically land grabbing. And this one is an activity being done by powerful individuals either in the national government or within the Nairobi County government who are trying to grab this Woodley piece of land. We have now a kiosk being erected all over Woodley, and we don't know who owns those kiosks. We are calling upon the MCA. Please come and bring clarity to the residents of Woodley who elected you to the County Assembly of Nairobi. We call upon the Kibra Member of Parliament, Peter Ochieng-Orero. Kindly come and listen to the people of Woodley. Listen to the people of Woodley, find a way of helping the residents of Woodley. Because these people have not recovered from the barbaric act that the county government did here last time. And it is a fundamental right within the Constitution of Kenya for somebody to own a property, for somebody to be living in a house. So we don't understand why the county government of Nairobi should resort into using unlawful means to evict the people of Nairobi. These are things that should be done according to the law, and not resorting to using goons and intimidating the senior citizens who have worked tirelessly to build this country up to where it is right now. So we are calling you, Governor Sakaja. You are going to go down with the people of Woodley if you decide to take their land, if you decide to deprive them of their properties.
Tunakashifu kabisa hii mambo ya eviction. Kwa sababu hii mambo ya eviction imetuacha mahali pabaya sana. Hata wakati eviction ilifanyika pale kwa hiyo ujenzi ya 10 acres ilituacha mahali pabaya sana, kwa sababu wazazi wetu wengine hata saa hii wameshazikwa in the past tense. Na kama tutaendelea hivyo tena, hii eviction nyingine ambayo inapangwa tarehe 7, hiyo ni kumaanisha wanamaliza watu wa Woodley, na hatuwezi kubali vitu kama hizo. Hii mambo ya land grabbing hapa Woodley sijui ni ndio target kila wakati. Kila mtu anaamuka asubuhi anaona akuje Woodley afanye grabbing, kwa sababu hizi grabbing imekuwa too much. Na hii si mambo ya eviction inataka kufanyika hapa, kwa sababu kama ni eviction, si watu wametolewa pale, si wajenge hiyo wamalize, watu waingie hapo. Kama ni watu wanatakana waingie kwa hizo manyumba. Hatuwezi kubali vitu kama hizi ziendelee kufanyika hapa. Hata hii Woodley yetu tulikuwa na Guadalupe Sports Ground pale, ilinyakuliwa. Saa hii hakuna hata hiyo uwanja. Kuna uwanja hapo nyuma imechukuliwa. Wina saa hii inauzwa. Na ni land grabbers tu wanafanya hizo vitu. So sisi watu wa Woodley tunataka kuachwa bila kitu yoyote hapa Woodley. Na kama hatutakani, si basi gava ituambie. Government ituambie hatutakani hapa Woodley. Kama wakaaji wa Kibra tunakataa hiyo shughuli ambayo inataka kuendelea, na hatuwezi kubali iendelee kamwe.